Happy morning. This is Dr.R.Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity from Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. Today, in this lecture series, we are going to discuss a topic ethical hacking. Introduction about the ethical hacking and the subject open elective ethical hacking. Let's say ethical hacking is simply refers to the practice of deliberately probing computer systems as well as networks and then applications for security vulnerabilities in order to in ethical hacking we used to say we have different types of hacking like gray hacking, black hacking, as well as white hat hacking. So the malicious actions we are going to check over. Unlike the malicious hackers, ethical hackers are also known as white hat hackers. Legally, with full and full authorized manner, if you want to check over some kind of software as well as system, so that we used to known as in order to test as well as improve the cyber security measures. Their goal is to identify as well as fix the weaknesses before cyber criminals can exploit them. So simply, ethical hacking, other term we used to say white hat hackers. Purely we are going to get the permission, proper permission. Legally we are going to check over whether the hacking is there under some software or systems or network oriented process. So that we are going to check over. So that people we used to call as an ethical hackers. So let us see the importance of ethical hacking. In order to enhance the cyber security, the word cyber is nothing but the digitalized informations that we are going to enhance that security and safeguard process we are going to check over, and then preventing cyber attacks ensures the compliance. So legally if you are processing some if you are facing some issues in bank account details as well as the personal informations that and all, if suppose you are affected with hacking, so we have to ensure that the compliance process, and then we have to protect the privacy. So the personal informations we have to protect in a effective way in order to avoid hacking, and then strengthening the digital infrastructure. If you are using the authentication, the step-by-step authentications we have to follow in strict manner in order to protect the privacy as well as the digital infrastructures and all we have to strengthen in order to avoid hacking. So the preventing from cyber attacks as well as protecting privacy details, so these and all very important. This we are going to check over with the help of ethical hackers. So the main ethics in ethical hacking, what are the ethics we have to follow for ethical hacking? So legal authorization is very important. We have to respect for privacy. If you are analyzing some privacy issues, so the privacy thing is affected, so steal by someone else, so we have to respect them. We have to maintain the confidentiality. It's very important that CIA, confidentiality, integrity and authentication authorization is very very important for ethical hackers. So that's what we used to say, the respect for privacy, and then the transparency is very very important. Whatever we are going to check over, that full and full that reporting as well as documentation is maintained perfectly by the ethical hackers. So that's what transparency plays a vital role in ethical hackers. No malicious intent. So the malicious intent we should not use, as well as through proper channel, through the proper process they have to follow, and proper instructions they have to process the hacking is there or not, that way they have to analyze in clear and crisp manner, and then the privacy details and all they have to analyze in clear way. That transparency and reporting documentation is very important for legal process, and then professional integrity. So the professional integrity is also plays an important ethics in ethical hacking. So these are the important thing we have to follow for analyzing the report as well as analyzing whether the hacking is there under that particular software as well as systems. Hope you understand about the overview of ethical hacking. Thank you for your patient listening. Have a nice day. Thank you.